Today we will set up Claude-Code on Windows and configure the Claude-Code on IntelliJ. Before we can install Claude-Code on Windows, we need to install WSL and install Node and npm, then we can install Cloud. And finally we'll configure IntelliJ to use WSL. Go to Microsoft Store on Windows and search for Ubuntu. You will see an install button here. Click on that button and go through the basic steps to set up Ubuntu. Once the installation is completed, open command line and log into WSL by typing WSL-D. It's D stands for distribution, Ubuntu. Before we install Cloud or Node, let's update the libraries. Now let's install Node and npm. Node.js and npm. Verify the versions. We have Node 18.19 and npm 9.2. Now we can install Cloud globally. Notice that we are using sudo here because we are just using WSL. If you are on Mac or Linux, you should not be using sudo. There are other steps that you can see in the documentation here. This is a warning they provide. So make sure you follow the other steps here in this page. On Windows, using WSL, this is fine for a quick configuration. Verify the Cloud is installed properly by looking at the version. It shows the version 1. So we have installed Cloud, configured it on WSL. Now let's look at how to configure this in IntelliJ. Open IntelliJ and go to Settings. On the Settings pop-up, go to Tools and click on Terminal. On the terminal, under the application settings, you will see shell path. By default it is PowerShell on Windows. Here you can choose WSL-D Ubuntu and click OK. Now when you open terminal on the IntelliJ, you will notice it's opening directly using WSL. Here you can verify the Cloud version. So it shows the same version. Now you can start using Cloud by typing this command. It will ask you to allow access to this project. You can click yes. Now we are ready to start using Cloud here.